Welcome. Today I am with Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition and I'll show you how you can use the Pro mode on this device. So the first, you have to open the camera application. Next, select More and open Pro mode. It's just right here. So right now in this place we can find 5 options that we can set up manually and also automatically. In this place we can also switch our lens between ultra wide lens and the normal wide lens. So right now we are going to focus on this slider. And first we can find the ISO. So as you can see, we can set it up automatically by tapping here and also manually. Oh, sorry for the misclick. So when you want to set it up manually, we got this kind of the slider, and we have to remember that the higher ISO makes our camera more sensitive to the light, but also it brings more digital noises into our image. And you can set it up just like that. I'm gonna stay with the automatically option. Right now we are going to switch to the shutter speed, and the same, we can set automatically or the manually. And what is going on right here when you change the slider? So we have to remember that the longer the shutter is open, the more light comes to our sensors, and it makes our photos more brighter. So just take a look. I hope that you can see the change right now. Let's stay with the auto option. Another option is right here. It's the EV. It's exposure compensation, and this option allows us to compensate exposure when we want to get our image more brighter or darker. I'm gonna stay with the 0 value. Another option is, the focus. We can go for the multi, center, but also we can pick it manually. So, the greater focus we set up right here on the slider, the farther from the lenses the in focus arena will be. So let me show you on this item. I'm gonna set it up like that, and right now this logo is in the focus. But when I'm gonna move it like that, we cannot catch focus that close, so we have to put it far away. And right now I'm gonna take photo and take a look right now, and also right now. So yeah, that's how we can set it up. And the last option is the white balance. So we can set the custom value between 2000, 2300 and 10,000 Kelvin range, and it change basically the temperature and the colors. We don't have here any presets like in the other smartphones, so we have to just set it up manually. And yeah, that's all. So I hope that right now you will understand what is going on in the Pro mode in this phone. If you have any question, you can leave them in the comment. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.